it is she, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope that you'll go ahead and subscribe and join the family. So for today's video, I am super excited about it. It is a new trend that's been going around, and your girl has partnered with Hergivenhair to bring you this beautiful headband wig review. Yes, this is a wig. It is a headband wig. Listen, before we even get into the review, you guys can probably see the smile and know how I feel about this hair. I absolutely love it, but I did want to give you guys a very detailed unboxing and review of this hair. So shout out to Hergivenhair for sending over this gorgeous unit. I'll make sure to leave everything in the description box that you guys will need to purchase this hair, and the link that I got, the color that I got, the curl that I got, all of that. So be sure to check the description box. For this video, we'll be doing a full unboxing and review, plus a couple of cute little styles you can do with your headband wig. And as always, all the details will be in the description box. That is the color, the length, the style of hair that I got exactly. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the review. Okay, y'all, so let's jump right into it. I am super excited about this one. So I just have my hair out. I had it out in a twist out, and so I'm just letting it be free. But before we tie it back to put on the wig, I do want to show you exactly how the hair comes packaged, because I absolutely love Hergivenhair's packaging. So this is the box that it came shipped in. It was actually shipped by DHL, and then it was in a bag, and then inside the bag was this little cardboard box. So when you open up the box, here you have the actual box for the hair. And I love that they always give you like a nice sturdy box for your hair, because it's great to just kind of save it. When you take it out, you put it in the box and it's protected and all that good stuff. So if I take this out, it's like a shoe box. It's a nice quality, sturdy shoe box. I absolutely love their boxes. Like they're perfect. And then it has this cute little ribbon on it, and it says Hergivenhair, just be yourself, be given. And on the back it just has like all of their social media handles. It has just the tissue paper, and it has their little sticker. So if you take that off, I mean, this thing is protected. And inside there, honey, you got a bag. So ain't nothing getting into your hair. You have a little satin bag. Again, you can either keep it in the bag, in the box, or both. Girl, you got options. So in this satin bag, I have what looks like some headbands, and then the wig is some more goodies in here as well. Oh, even more headbands. So I really like this leopard one. I love me some leopard. So yeah, you got options. But before we get into the headbands, let's get into the actual unit. And now we're getting into the good stuff. So first off the bat, it smells like hair, but it is super soft, and it feels very moisturized, which I absolutely love. It feels like, I don't know, it feels like something's on it, but not in a bad way. Like it just feels really soft and silky and just moisturized, like a really good moisturized natural hair is what it feels like. It feels great. I absolutely love that. So this is the headband on the unit, and then these are the straps that you strap around the back. So it comes with a Velcro strap, and then inside you have 1, 2, 3 combs across the crown, and then you have 1 comb in the back, and then you have your adjustable straps. Now I got my unit in the size medium. I have a full wig from Hergivenhair, and I got it in a size small, and their wigs do run small, so keep that in mind. So I was sure to get this one in the size medium. It looks a little small to me, but I have not put it on, so we'll see how it goes when I actually put it on. But just do know that I find that Hergivenhair, their wigs run small, and then they go all the way down to like an extra small. So I will say size up, and then for my big hair girls, definitely size up with their wigs. But I'm super excited. Like, oh, this is gorgeous, and it looks so full. So yeah, let me get my hair just back and out of the way. I think I'm just gonna do a nice little center part and then gel it back into a ponytail. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna speed through that, and then I'll be back for the wig install. So we have our hair back, and before I put it on, I actually want to take a little bit of water, spray it down good, and just kind of get it fluffed out and just fluff it out. Absolutely love the length on this. I believe I got an 18-inch. So this is the 18-inch natural, and it's just in the natural color, and it is a cap size medium, if I did not say that already, which I absolutely love the length. I think that it is a great true to length, because sometimes you get 18-inch and it could be like a bob up here, but no, this is a really good length. So I'm going to go ahead and put my cap on here, and I'm choosing a brown cap, and I think I just want to leave just enough out. I don't want it too far forward, and I don't want it too far back. So starting with the combs, like I said, it seems like it runs on the smaller side, so I am going to put the combs in probably like this, I mean the little straps in like the second loop, and then let's see what we get. The size is actually perfect. I haven't even put the combs in yet, so let's get these combs in. The combs are a little further back than I would like them, so I'm gonna have to pull my cap back some, but that's fine. So the combs are further back than where the actual hairline is, and even further back from the headband, but that's fine. We can push our cap back a little bit. Make sure you put your combs in, because we are securing our wigs all 2020. And then the headband is there, and then I'm going to put the comb in the back, and then I'm going to strap down the strap across the band in the back. Okay, and so there you go. And then this is what, oh, it's so cute. So this is what it looks like with just the band that it comes with. I'm actually gonna fold that back a little bit. And she's cute. Oh, it's so soft. The quality of this hair is amazing. I can already tell off the bat. So, oh, and I love the length. The length is like perfect right at the shoulder. I'm gonna do a quick spin so you guys can see the back. This is the back, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It is so bouncy and so soft, and oh, I just love it. Okay, so let's get into some of these headbands that they sent me. So this look is just so perfect for my lazy girls. So if you don't have time to be trying to glue and secure down a wig, no sewings, no clippings, nothing, you literally just pop this on and you have a whole entire hairdo. I absolutely love this whole headband wig trend, so I'm here for it. Now as far as the headbands that they gave me, I'm going to show you a few different ways in which you can style this using the headbands that they did send in the package, because it does come with some great headbands. I don't know if this is standard. I believe that the headband packages are like $5.99. I'm not sure, but I'll be sure to leave everything in the description box. But they did send me 1, 2, 3, 4 headbands. So starting out with the first one that's already unpacked. So if we just put this across the top, and here is our first headband. How cute is she? This is a super cute, super fun headband, and I think it'll go great for both spring, summer, and fall. Like, it has these great orange fall colors, but it has the vibrancy of the yellow and the white. So this is a super cute headband. I really love this one. I love this wig. I love it. So cute. Okay, so let's go to the next headband. So this headband is interesting. It's like a, I'm not even sure how to use it. It's like a little tubular headband. So let's just kind of put her on. Oh, I see. Okay, I can see I should go. Okay, so let's go and get into this. So I think this was going to be great for your up style if you want to wear it up into a ponytail, because it's just one long tubular band and it's thick, so it'll cover a good circumference. So let's take this one off. So she is giving me all the vibes. I really like this one. I love the color on it. It's such a warm, and it kind of has like a African tribal sort of feel to it. This one is super pretty. I really like that one. I like it over my ears like this. I like the fullness and how much it covers, and I love the color. This is a great fall headband. This is really pretty. I think with this one I'm going to put my hair up and see if I can jazz it up a little bit. So this is it up in just like a little messy up bun. It's super cute. I love this headband. I think that it's perfect. And like I said, it covers perfectly. You have a little bit of your hair out in the back, you have a little bit of your hair out in the front, and then you just have a nice little messy bun. She's cute. She's pretty. Love it. Now this next headband is a really large one. You'll be able to do a lot of different styles and looks with this. It's one of those headbands, or one of those scarves really, that you can just wrap in a bunch of different ways. And this color is quite fun and whimsical. I'm really feeling the color. So let's take this guy off here. And I think I want to try to pull it all the way up. So let me pull it up first. Like kind of to the front. Actually bring the headband part a little bit further up and off to the side over here. And then I'm going to take my scarf on the diagonal, and we're going to do a cute little wrap, see what we can get. Okay, and so here we have this look. This is super cute, super fun, something off to the side, and it's giving me very just kind of I'm loving it. Absolutely love and adore this look and the versatility of just these headband wigs. Okay, so last but certainly not least, because it is my favorite headband, that is this leopard one. Your girl loves her a good leopard or animal print in general, and this one is also nice and thick, and then the leopard print is really pretty. So let's throw her on. Oh, and this is a look too, if you just want to kind of keep it over your ears. Oh, she's kind of a vibe. She's kind of cute. She's kind of cute. I kind of like her. It's giving me very kind of boho, like a little boho vibe. What are you planning on this? But she's a look, she's a vibe. She's very boho. She's very cute. So yeah, here is another one. So what's that? I'm giving y'all 5 looks with this headband wig. Was that 5? All right, y'all, so this is it. I hope that you really did enjoy this unboxing and review of this Hergivenhair headband wig. I absolutely love this wig. Like, this is gonna be my go-to unit. Like, the ease of it, just throwing it on and throwing the headband on it. Or even if you don't want to do the headband, it comes with the black headband on already attached. Like, it gets no simpler than this. Like, it literally gets no simpler than this, and it's gorgeous. I mean, look at this. Like, this is a whole look, a whole vibe, and the hair is top notch as far as the quality. I cannot wait to see how this lasts. I can see this lasting me for well over a year. I have my wig from Hergivenhair that I reviewed last year that is still going strong, and I've dyed it and cut it and did all type of things to it, honey. This one I'm going to leave exactly like it is because I love just the natural look. This looks like it is my hair. Throw it on, go, and I'm out the door. So if you did enjoy this content, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Jump down in the comment section, let me know what else you'd like to see from me on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you dolls in my next video. Bye.